Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a video on change of estates and why they're so important in the market. Honestly, you should know what a change of estate is. If you don't know what a change of estate, then there's just no reason to be trading because you won't know when the trend actually changes and you can never catch market reversals. So let's not waste too much time. By the way, if you guys don't know me, if you are new to the channel, my name is Alexander, 21-year-old day trader, and let's get right into this video. Try to make it short and sweet. Right here, we have a uptrend. Then we have a change of estate right here because we can see that from this last low we actually broke it and now we're starting our downtrend, but just say we don't know what's happening here yet. Right now we're going to take a fair value gap, and the second it gets tapped right into, then we can continue and probably possibly take our short position to continue this trend. Now, it doesn't have to work like this though. There's multiple ways to trade a change of a state. Either it does a straight break and it just continues down, or it can take a retest into this fair value gap. So either one would be a optimal entry. So again, change of estates look exactly like break of structures. Just the only difference is that a break of structure is for a trend continuation and a change of a state is for a reversal. And also, even if we move this change of a state downwards, it still comes up to the same thing. It can still work out. Even though we pass the change of a state to tap into that fair value gap, as long as we can break past it once again, we can take our entry again to continue our downtrend. And change of estates can be powered with buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. So to show a little example in the charts now, we can see that we're coming from an uptrend right here, and then we have a change of a state right here because of the last series of upward candles. So we have that change of a state. Then we have a fair value gap that got placed, and you can see we actually broke right through it. We came back in, we played in the area, and then after we dispersed through to continue our downtrend to show our reversal. And if you know what an inversion is, you can also pair that in to give you another conviction that we actually are changing that estate. Also, another example right here, we have that change of estate right at the series of the last upward candle, and we are coming from a bit of a consolidation period, but it is overall an uptrend. We have that change of estate break right through, but you see we don't actually have a fair value gap that we came to retest. But the second we broke through, we also see that we made an inversion right here. This was a clear indication that we are actually going to continue this trend and overall reverse it to make a downtrend. So as you can see, change of estates are very, very important because they're going to help you know where the market is going to shift and where we can see a change in trend, change in a state, change in a trend from an uptrend to a downtrend. And that's why change of estates are so important to know in the market. So do me a favor, go back test this, practice, and you can pair this with your strategies. And it'll be very, very helpful.